How to change the color of the edge panels handle on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next in settings, we scroll down and then tap on display. Now scroll down and then tap on edge panels. From here, tap on handle. Then to change the color of the handle, you can select one of the color from a color picker here, or you can tap on this color picker. From here, you can select one of the colors from the swatches. Tap on the spectrum tab will allow you to choose a color from a spectrum. And that's it. After that, tap on done, and that is how you can change the color of your handle. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.